You can talk as well. Ask me questions if you want. Right, this is the tray.
So what was that, Martin?
Yeah, this is my new project regarding kitchen sink. I always threaten to take everything bar the kitchen sink. This is the trays for preparing food with the various.
You got a washing up sink, Martin.
Yeah. And there's all the utensils. What else can I show you? Oh, there's all the zebra pots.
Oh.
That's for all the pans. And
So much weight is it, Martin?
Oh, it's quite heavy. It's just definitely a two-man lift out, but it can work outside the car. And then what I've done is I've made, if you can show that, Jay, the step back a bit. That's it. I've made these come off, the two bolts at the top, and it just slips off, rather than have a big brace. And it's just two little ones. Then I've put extra straps to make these strong, because these hinges weren't strong enough really. Not if you want to lean on it, but you can sit down and work on it as well. And then obviously you can work on the top and the back bit here, you know, so you can put your stuff while you're cooking. Oh, and the stove's in here, Jay. There's your tea, coffee. Obviously I moved the stuff around, and then I've just got my Coleman stove in there.
Over and out, yeah?
Not just yet. Step back a bit. Right, and then as I say...
You got your favourite liquid, Martin?
Yes. Oh, no, I haven't. That's very true, Jamie. I haven't got my favourite liquid. It's in here somewhere. No, I put it in my other pack that I use.
Over and out?
No, not yet.
Ah!
Your arms are full.
You just saw, didn't you?
I've got to close it off. Wait a minute, Jay, wait a minute. Right, that's lockable. It says here. It's a bit stiff with the painting on.
All secure?
Nearly. Ready? So that's secure. And as I say, that's I can lift it myself if I wanted to move it within the tent. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it can move anywhere.
Come on, Martin, stop showing off.
And obviously,
yeah.
Hang on, I haven't finished yet.
Oh, Martin.
Oh, come on, Jamie, don't hurt you. Right, I'm just going to unscrew this and just take one side off first, alright? So it's fully supported on this brace here, all the way. So just spin them to the end. Undo this little brace here. Alright? And then I hold that.
Oh.
Oh.
Should I go break your leg?
No. No, don't brace it. So that's that leg. I'll do the same on this side. I grabbed hold of the long bit. Undo that. Take that off. Lift the weight. Should come off. Don't undo that enough. It's the first time I've done it, so that's it. And then she's ready to put in the car and use in the car. So basically that's the brace. And then the same again when you go to put it back. Lift up. Over the... And do one side up. Tighten the brace up. Oh, I ain't got that right there. Well, we do the outtakes as well, Jay. But you get the gist of it anyway. Do that one up and then you lift that one up and put that brace on. Thank you.
Goodbye.
I've done well. You did. Let's have a look. See what you... Let's have a look at in the lighting.